had a good day going thrifting at Goodwill today. I found a lot of cool stuff. Real quick, I found some Corningware. I'm a Corningware freak. This stuff isn't for Posh. I'm collecting it, and a lot of it, I have a lot of different patterns. A lot of it will end up on Mercari, but we'll talk about that later. I found a pair of Vans. I found a pair of, not a pair, but I found an Anthropologie jacket. What else? Oh, a Fabletics tank top. I can't do this with one hand. This isn't fun. My other phone case has a stand. Fabletics tank top. You can see that right there. It's kind of runched at the bottom. It's cute. This Anthropologie jacket's my favorite. I wish it was my size, but it's not. It's super cute. It's gray, it's lined, has a little ruffle in the back. I'll post it. You can see it when it's on the hanger. It'll look a little better. These Vans are super cute. They're wedges. And they're guys or girls. So they said men's US 6 or women's US 7.5. So little wedge Vans. They're pretty much new condition. The tag in the back still looks awesome. And then I think I might keep these. These are super cute. What was the brand? Let me look. It's something Miller. I'm so bad at this brand stuff. This has been interesting learning all of it. Olivia Miller. I like everything that's country western, and these are a super cute boot. So I may list them, I may keep these. These are actually my size. So they might not end up on Posh. They might end up in my closet. And that's pretty much it. I was so stoked about the Pyrex, though. It's the white and blue pattern. Let me see if I can grab one of them. It's a set. I love sets, and I love it when I find them in perfect condition with lids. So this may end up on Mercari. If you have a need for this set, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just hoarding them all in my pantry, collecting them until I decide to sell. And that was what I found at this haul on the south side of Vegas today.